Hey guys, Jack here for Gonzo's World, and today is the day because I'm very excited because today we are going to be unboxing of this. Yep, the PlayStation 5 here, finally after 4 longer years of waiting, and now finally I have it with me. So this here is a slim PS5 slim version of that one here. I got it from John Lewis, someone else. I got it from the package from delivered this morning, and I'm very excited to finally get my hands on one here. So basically, I would like to say I've got such a few of my friends of mine that they said, it says, should I get a PS5 Slim version for it or the Pro? Well, we know the Pro is a little bit expensively, yes, but however, the Slim one is definitely got a good pricey offer. So anyway, so first one, of course, the box itself looks absolutely fantastic for one here, and is very light because it's a slim model, which is absolutely fine. And also, of course, let everyone know, is the disc version for it. So the disc version is here. So we're going to show you now that one here. So I'll just turn this camera down here. Hope it might see it okay. So first one, of course, so here we are, the PS5. So first one, of course, what you do is set up first. So basically, I'm going to do the setup privately on, like the actual settings and personal stuff on here. So we're going to do the unboxing first, and then once we get back into the last bit of a hurdle, then I will put my a bit into the TV, and hopefully you will see for yourself. So first one, of course, let's unbox it. So first one, of course, just tear it off here. Okay, and here we go. So it's all up. It's all up. So that was for everyone, just to be super curious. Alright. Anyway, very nicely for it. So okay, so we'll swap it around to on top here. And I love that box that went with a little PlayStation on it. I would say it's really nicely cool. So anyway, let's open up for it. So, okay. So the first one comes in mind. So we have here, we got the power adapter. And then we have here a little, it's one of those little clips, that one here. So you can put in your PlayStation 5. One thing, of course, I have a virtual stand for one here. So I got it from Amazon for one here about a few days ago, and it's all been sorted out for one there. So I got it. It's with me at the moment for one there. So I will hook it up to the PlayStation, and then hopefully we'll get that. Okay, so we got here. Okay, this is the HDMI cable, the 2.1 HDMI cable. We got here a USB-C cable from one there for the PlayStation 5 controller. And then speaking of which, here it is. Oh, there we are. My very own one here. It looks absolutely stunning. Really is that one here. I was playing a lot of the times I would play on the PS5 Cossack on game retail shops. And the control looks absolutely amazing for one here. So nicely got a little bit more edge that one here. But anyway, PS5 controller, brilliant. Okay, so now we're gonna have to do is so anyway, just to let you know, so we're gonna have to do is okay, oh yeah, of course, got based on the instructions for that one here to know what we need to know how to set it up, but everyone will already know that. Okay, so right about now, so we're going to turn it down here, and there we go. Check that chunk out of the way. Nicely wrapped it up, and okay, and here it is. Nicely double packaged on one here, which is really very nice. And here it is. The PS5 itself, that one here, it looks absolutely amazingly. So first one of course is, so there is the disk driver one here we said about. Then we got the power on and off button is right over here. There's 2 USB-C ports on there, so it's good for your charging up. And then in the back, in here, you can see it, we got power adapter socket to be in there, 2 USBs, 1 LAN and HDMI. So, take it off nicely, gently. And I like to say, it looks good designing for one there. And of course, at the bottom for one here, that is where we could put in my a little storage for one. No, don't say storage. Virtual stand for one here. So I hope I could put that on my computer for one here on my desk. And of course, it looks so absolutely amazingly. You know, I love the logo like that. It's really nice for one here. And I got to say, it's absolutely fantastic. So here we go. So we have, once again, so we have a PS5 Slim here, power plug, cables, that one here. There is storage put into, like, you put it on your side one here. But even though, of course, like, it looks, you have to put it on sideways like that. But if you got the virtual stand on top like that for one there, that's the most important one of all for one there. And then we got HDMI cable, USB-C for one here as well for one here. And of course the controller. So we're going to do right now for one here. So I won't do the Intel setup, but however, I will show you one little bit of it, and then we'll get into welcome to PlayStation 5 set screen, and I will see it for the first time. So anyway, be right back. Okay, welcome back everyone. As you can see, my PS5 is now over here. So it's nicely done for one here. So we did a lot of the changing on the privacies and everything else there. So the good news for one here, and we said that thanks to the PlayStation app, of course, is that if you sign in, you know that you can sign it manually, or if you have a PlayStation app, like show you one like this here on the screen for one here. Then all you have to do is the following step. All you have to do is just go to setting, and then go to like this down here. If you can't see it, I will tell you console management, and then scan the QR code, and you get automatically you'll be sorted out. Okay, right now, so what we're gonna do is skip it, and here we go. Oh, yes. And there we go. That is it. Everything is done for that one here. So, oh my god, I love the welcome intro. Anyway, we're going to see what now you can see. You go to your settings. Just go to see your system for one here. And also, of course, leave that one here, that if you're using your Elgato for one here or something like that, I would say recommended is like, just turn it off that one here. So that's just going to be more easy for, play the Elgato ports and all sorts. So, and also you can change the beep and light that one here. You can change that as well. That's really, really cool. Okay, so I think right now it's down here in the storage for when I just remember. So as you can see right now, I got 848 gigabytes in the storage because it's a 1 terabyte. So, and you can see here, there's like the others over there, that's just to be let you know. There's games and apps is over there, media and save data ones that's around. So, and there you go. I was going to say, I put up another game as well for there. Gran Turismo 7, the big one, that one there is now on the update. And then of course it Ratchet & Clank Rift Apart. But here we go. How can you not love the Ratchet & Clank that one there intro, that one there about music? It's just got a good vibes to it. So, now, the questions are made everyone's mind who are new to that one here for the PlayStation 5. Here's the question for one here, so everyone knows. Can I play PS4 games on like anything from PAL and Americas, and including like the Japanese games is like this? So the answer to that is yes. It is region free, so you can play PS4 games on it to your PS5 system which is a huge boost, that one here. And of course, leave to let everyone know as well that if you can scroll down here, you go to like your game library for one here. Now, another thing as well, can I re-download games I bought from the PS4 to the PlayStation 5? Yes, you can for that one here. So as you can see, it's all a bit of locked up one here because, you know, it's just like, they not purchased, I just like all the old history for one here. And then make sure, if you do see, there's like Persona and Multi Blood for one here, and then all you have to do is just download it for one here, and then you're good to go for one here. So this is absolutely fantastic for one here. I'm gonna say very, very happy for one here. So any games that one here you bought from the store on the PlayStation 4 you can re-download it to the PlayStation 5 for one here. So bigger storage, the bigger help for it. And even of course, sleeve one here is the storage on it. Like, hopefully get the external storage. There is a power chip that one here, but I'm not going for it. But I will hopefully get in the future endeavors. Like say, if I run out of space for one here, then hopefully I'll get that a 4 or possibly an 8 terabyte chip, put it into the PlayStation 5, and then we're good to go. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this experience on one here. I'm really excited. And I'm in heaven for one here. So anyway, what's your thoughts on this one, everybody? And remember, drop a big massive like video. Drop down in comments below your thoughts on the unboxing and seeing this screen for the very first time. What was your first thought of it? Do you enjoy still playing PS4? Or even Corsi, do you enjoy the world of PS5? Let us know what is your first games there at Corsi you love, the designs, anything else. Drop down a comment below, I'll give you a reply with a thumbs up. Don't forget to click punch the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications to see more videos very soon. Till then, this is Jack here. See ya.